Smooth Predictions is a fantastic new card effect.
It allows a spectator to pick a card, think of a card, look at a card, whatever you want them to do, and allows you to have a written prediction predicting what they would choose in any location you'd like, under their shoe, in their wallet, in your pockets, anywhere you'd like.
Hey guys, I'm Daryl,
Hi.
Alicia, Shay. Nice to meet you guys. Say hi to everybody.
Hi. Hi.
Alright, so we're doing a magic trick.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to influence you guys. I've written something down to prove that that's what I'm doing. I knew kind of what was gonna happen. And we'll get to that all in a second, okay? I've written something down for both of you guys. But first, you guys are gonna make choices. You're gonna make a conscious choice. Like, you're gonna be full, at least you're gonna feel like you're not being influenced to be like a full-on, just free choice. And you're gonna make an unconscious choice, like a subconscious choice, right? Fair enough? And we'll get to that in a second. So first, you're gonna see all the cards are different, and you're just gonna name one that you see in here. So anyone that you see in there, name it.
Out loud?
Yeah, go ahead.
King of Clubs.
King of Clubs, okay, and you're sure?
Yeah.
Did that feel like a free choice?
Yeah.
It did. Okay, so I want you to hold on to the King of Clubs for me.
All right.
And now, Shay, you are going to actually make a subconscious choice. You're just going to cut the cards into my hands. I'm going to hand you the cards. You just cut some into my hand anywhere you'd like, okay? So take the cards and just cut them into my hand.
Just me separate.
Yeah, just anywhere. Perfect. Now go ahead, take a look at the card you cut to. And I don't want to see, show Alicia, I don't want to see. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So now you guys have both picked cards, and you can keep your card out if you want, or either way. So now I told you that I wrote something down, and you feel like you had a free choice. You could have cut anywhere in here, right? And you could have named anyone.
Yes.
But look, corresponding to where we were standing, I put something, I wrote it down in my front pocket, so there's nothing in my hands here. And you can actually see, but I wrote down in my front pocket, it says, you will choose the King of Clubs.
Okay.
And there's nothing obviously in my pockets because of the tight pants, you know. And for you, right over here, I wrote down, you will choose the Two of Spades.
What's the
That's
And we-
pretty cool.
I couldn't switch, I couldn't change it. I actually put the prediction underneath your foot. So look under your shoe right now.